brassiness typically starts to become visible in the hair a few weeks after a salon colour. That's where MUVO Ultra Blonde shampoo comes into play. We highly recommend using Ultra Blonde every second or third wash, alternated with a colour-free regular shampoo and conditioner such as MUVO Totally Naked. Because if you're using Ultra Blonde every wash, your colour can become dull. The question that we get asked the most is how long do we leave MUVO Ultra Blonde shampoo in for? Because of the maximum strength of the MUVO Blonde shampoo, for Annabelle's hair, depending on the desired results that we would want, I would go for a nice cool clean blonde, so I'd recommend leaving it in for about 5 minutes. Depending on the result that we're after, if we were wanting to go for more of a cooler, silvery tone, we could leave it in for up to 10-15 minutes and we'll get a nice darker, silvery result. Annabelle's hair is quite thick and slightly porous, so in this situation, the power of MUVO Ultra Blonde shampoo will process slightly quicker. All of these things mentioned have to be taken into account when working on fine hair, hair extensions, or over-processed hair. MUVO Ultra Blonde shampoo can be adaptable depending on the results desired.